As a performance vehicle, your Veloster N can provide you with a very high level of information about your driving experience. You can access this information by using the LCD display control to get to the Sport menu. Its gauges deliver engine-related information like current torque, turbo boost pressure, and engine oil temperature. The lap timer enables you to record times on a closed circuit or at the track. It displays up to 5 different times. The total elapsed time since the timer started is at the top. The next time shown will be your best lap. Below that will be your current running lap time. Finally, you will see up to 2 previous laps shown before your current running lap time. To start the timer, briefly press the OK button on the steering wheel. At the completion of a lap, briefly press the button again. You're on to timing your next lap. You can pause lap timing by pressing and holding the OK button for more than 1 second. To restart it, briefly press the OK button again. To reset the timer, press and hold the OK button for 1 second to stop it, and then press and hold it for another second to reset. The Sport menu also has a G-force meter. It shows the lateral forces on the vehicle while it's in motion. This is particularly valuable while cornering. All this information is sure to enhance the experience behind the wheel of your Veloster N.